Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a Friendsgiving vlog, and as you can see, I'm currently in my pajamas. I'm gonna show you everything, like, you know, getting ready before. My best friend is here and she's currently making a puff pastry. So let me show you what I currently have. So here my best friend is gonna start making her famous baked brie recipe. So what she does is starts with getting a puff pastry sheet, putting the brie in the middle, drizzling it all over with honey, almonds, and cranberries, and then you seal it with the egg wash and you put it in the oven. And this is always a hit for all of her get-togethers. People always love when she brings it, and yeah, she's honestly amazing. Like, she helped me so much this day and I can't wait for you to see more. Okay guys, so here my best friend is making pull-apart garlic knots. We're gonna put mozzarella in them, and for the best part, pesto. Yes. So we got this delicious recipe from Laura Vitale, which is an amazing channel for cooking videos, and I will include the link down below. Our first guests have arrived. Baby Chocolo, we've known each other for many years.
So many years. We grew up together.
Yay!
I'm so excited. It smells so good in here. It smells like fresh Christmas trees.
Look who's here, my sissy Helga.
It's me! And the dog just peed.
Oh, yay!
So we need to go clean that up.
So, me and sister Helga have been friends for 14 years.
Is it 14 years?
Yes.
Oh my god. It's amazing.
We have a few nicknames for each other.
We're not really friends, we're kind of family.
Yeah, get it right.
It's definitely family at this point.
Yes. And Andy and Candy's here too, her beautiful fiance.
And he's waiting for a paper towel for him to pick up the piss that is outside.
So we'll be right back. So this is what I have so far. Confetti cupcakes, cookies.
Unboxing.
We have some bread, some baked delicious brie.
So we're doing a little bit of unboxing today, and it's not clothing, ladies.
Yeah.
It is some good old homemade food we bought.
Woo! Yeah.
So before us we have some possibly some penne alla vodka that I cooked myself. Not
Shake
really.
that ass, baby, yeah.
But let's say I cooked it. Let's say I cooked it.
Yummy.
All right, box number 2.
Box number 2.
What do we have here?
Ooh. This one's a heavy one. Oh, can't even take it out of the bag. Oh, could it be more food? I think so.
She was born for this.
You're a star, mama.
Wow, you're a star. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That had
brisket.
Ooh, child.
Everyone
Chow.
has a lot of
7 hours bacon.
7 for what's
Yup.
Damn, that's me.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for what's
Yummy. Brother. Hello. Hey. Keeping it real.
Yum.
Yum.
That was
a good
nice.
piece. Can we get a zoomed in of that?
Okay, there you go. Oh. Yes.
Oh, this
Look at these beautiful sisters.
Hey, y'all.
Garlic knot.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Let's do a taste test. Oh.
Oh yeah, that cheese is falling. I'm doing very important things right now.
Wow.
I don't really have time for your nonsense.
Taste test. Now for the most special guest of the party, Sister Raven.
Sister Raven.
Yeah, look at those little ears and feet. Oh.
Look at the camera. Come on. Look at the camera, lady. I said, look at the camera.
Oh,
Look at the
you're so cute.
Get me out of here.
That was good. Hey. Hey. Raven. You sleepy? Raven, look. Raven. Oh, who's a good girl. Oh. Say hi. The bros being bros. My girl is engaged. Shout out to Carla. Shoulder ring. Oh yeah, girl. Paparazzi. Oh. Back that ass up. Yeah.
We've decided that we're all gonna go Christmas caroling. Who's here for it?
Count me out. Count me out. Not it.
Yodele, yodele,
We're doing it anyway. Listen to me sing. She wants a number 3 super fat underwear.
Oh.
But he got 2 strikes, so don't get his order off.
Oh.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done.
Thank you guys so much for watching my new video. I hope you enjoyed my Friendsgiving and you learned some recipes that you can use for your own party. Please let me know what else you'd like to see. Love you guys. Bye.